Hey guys, and now we're gonna have a look at the Samsonite Cosmolite. It's got 4 wheels, it spins really well. Let's open it up. Right, the first thing that we notice is it doesn't really have a cover here, so I mean, it's got these straps, which helps, but thing is, when you open up your luggage at your hotel room, it might be the case that your clothes just pop out, or the stuff that you have there. So I actually like having one of these covers. This is a mesh one, so it's still good, and it's super light. I've actually had this one for a couple of years, so it's really well made. Doesn't have any pockets, so this is basically it. So if I open this up, I mean, you got space for quite a lot of stuff, but as I said, no pockets. Right, this is the Samsonite Cosmolite. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Until next time.